Allah, the most merciful and the most powerful. Alhamdulillah, I am in good health by the sympathy of Allah. And I hope that you are also in good condition. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. This is me, Rashidullah, son of Salimullah, from Tawanshan village, Arkan state of Myanmar. And currently, I am living at Camp 20 and I am studying at grade 10 at Niman Community High School. Let me start my talk with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Especially, I am very grateful today for giving me this opportunity from Rohingya Education School to deliver a vital message to our community about the importance of Rohingya language. Now, I am going to share four indispensable questions with answer which we should have to know the knowledge of them. What is language? What is the advantage of language? What is the importance of Rohingya language? How can we learn it? Language is a tool for communication. We can share our thoughts to another people. There are many advantages of language. A few of them I will share you shortly. If we have learned any language, it can be Burmese, English and Rohingya, and we will be useful anywhere. We will communicate one another easily if we are facing any difficulties in any place. If we are starting a business, first of all, we have to learn the language to communicate with foreign people, exporting or importing the products in the country. A person who don't have the knowledge of language, he is just like the blind people because he can share his idea or feeling to another people. He even can get rice if he is starving. One thing is shameful for us is that we are Rohingya ethnic group of Myanmar. We have our own specific language. It is Rohingya language. Although we can speak it, but we don't know how to write it. Even we can write our name by mother language. We ourselves claim that we are Rohingya, but we can write our name with Rohingya language. So language is very important, and we should do our best to learn our mother language. There are many platforms in which we can get the access to learn our mother language, such as a school, Rohingya Education Board, Rohingya Online School, Rohingya Education School, and Rohingya National Education Board, etc. We can learn it free of charge from any platform. Our Rohingya Education School is always open. If you are interested and you can learn from it. Thank you everyone for your time and attention. If anything went wrong, please forgive me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.